Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics for Class 10, following a full guide. Start by building a strong foundation in each chapter. Don't rush. Ensure you grasp every concept before advancing. Consistent daily practice is key, so try to dedicate at least 1 hour to physics. Utilize Prashant Kirad's materials, as they offer excellent explanations and problem-solving strategies to help you succeed. To study effectively, begin by creating your own concise notes. These should summarize all key formulas, definitions, and important derivations. Next, dedicate significant time to solving numerical problems. Work through examples from your textbook and other reference materials. Regular review of previously covered topics is crucial. This helps solidify your understanding and prevents forgetting important concepts over time. For strong problem-solving skills, practice extensively with past exam papers. This helps you understand common question patterns and time management. Identify your weak areas by reviewing incorrect answers and dedicate extra effort to those specific topics. Don't hesitate to collaborate with classmates. Discussing problems and solutions with peers can offer new perspectives and deepen your understanding of complex physics concepts. As you approach exams, conduct multiple full revisions of the entire physics syllabus. This ensures all topics are fresh in your mind. Take timed mock tests regularly to simulate actual exam conditions, helping you improve speed and accuracy. Finally, maintain a positive mindset throughout your preparation. Managing study stress effectively will allow you to perform at your best on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.